Why measurements matter? Measurements are actually quite important while cooking. Even when you think you are just eyeballing stuff, you're not, because then you would end up all hot and sweaty, and not in a good way. While measuring during cooking, there's two things you need to keep in mind: measurement by weight and measurement by volume. For all your dry ingredients, you can always use a weighing machine. And for all the wet ingredients, you have your measuring spoons and cups, which can be your absolute best friend while cooking. Because what the heck is namak swad anusar? Cooking is a complex and multifaceted behavior that is influenced by culture, environment, and social norms. So it means that measurements also vary. So when your mom says a pinch of salt or a handful of sugar, how do you know your pinch or handful would be the same as hers? On the other hand, stop playing with that rice. Measuring ingredients with your own hands feel almost satisfying. Because at the end of the day, cooking is an art. It is supposed to be therapeutic and relaxing. But cooking is also science. And if you want to taste that same chicken biryani you made that one summer with the same exact taste, we are here to help. With Delishop, you get 3 spoons, small, medium and large, a crown with 100 milliliters capacity, and an inbuilt weighing scale that can weigh up to 5 kilograms. So happy cooking!